Okay, in season 2, we will look at factorization by grouping. Okay, that's in season 2. We'll look at factorization by grouping. So, assuming you are asked to factorize 2am minus 2m raised to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus 3bm. You're asked to factorize this, right? Now, what are you supposed to do? I usually start with solution to the mass given. Then I will go on to say that 2am, writing down the equation again, minus 2m squared minus 3ab plus 3bm is equal to 2m bracket am. Okay, and then again am. I want you to understand this. Based on this particular mass, we look for the term that is common between the two things given. Do you understand me? Okay. Now, to obtain the terms 3ab and 3bm in the given expression, what we are going to do is this. We are going to multiply. am by 3b. Therefore, or someone can say hence, 2am minus 2m squared minus 3ab plus 3bm will be equal to 2m bracket a minus m minus 3b, which will still give us a minus m. Now, when you look at these whole terms which we have here, you will notice that 2 is common. What do I mean by 2 being common? If you are to bracket this and bracket this, you will see that 2 is here, 2 is here, m is here, m is here, m that is here is raised to the power of 2, meaning that we have actually m2, as in 2m that is here. Then, because 2 is common in both of them, and again m is common in both of them, you will write them outside of the bracket. Then what remains after writing that over here? A remains, that's what is here. What remains after taking the first m that is here? M is also still common, that's why you write it here. But at this particular point in time, you're having 3ab plus 3bm. What is common here and here? 3 is common. 3 is common. 3 is here, 3 is here. A is here, A is not here, but B is here and B is here. You write the both of them. Then what remains after that is going to be A. And what is here? M. Now, in as much as what you're supposed to, if you look at the bracket of this, what you have in here is plus sign, is a positive sign, right? If you are to write this positive sign in here, if you are to open up this bracket, you will not get what you're looking for. So that's why when you are working on this, you need to be very, very skeptical and very observant doing what you do. With all this equation now, see what I'm going to do. If I say 2m multiplied by a, I'll be having 2am. If I should say 2m multiplied by minus m, I'll be having minus 2m raised to the power of 2. Remember when I said earlier that m times m is equal to m squared, but m plus m is equal to 2m. Always remember these things. Then at this particular point in time, I also still said something here. I said that minus 3b multiplied by a is going to give us minus 3ab. Again, minus 3b multiplied by minus m, because if minus should multiply minus, we'll have a positive sign. You understand? But if minus should multiply a positive sign, we'll have a negative sign. So if I had said that let's bring down the positive sign here, if minus should multiply this, what we're going to have is going to be a negative sign, which is against what we are given as the equation. I want you to look at the equation again for you to understand. Look at what they've given us. You understand? So you are going to solve it in a way that everything is going to be balanced. And before I close up this particular episode, I will definitely give you a question for you to solve for me. You're going to solve this for me, factorization by grouping method. And it's going to be a simple one at that, by saying, solve this for me, saying AC minus BD minus BC plus AD. Solve this, comment below, post your answer for me. The first person to get the answer, definitely I have a special gift for you. So thanks for being part of this season again. This is season 2. Then we'll be going on and on with season 3, and in subsequent times we'll be moving as fast as possible to make sure that people understand what this channel is. Remember that we are here to build a community, not about the people involved, but building a strong community that everyone will definitely be understanding what is happening. Do you understand what I'm saying? So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate, and I give kudos to everyone that have been following suit from the onset. So I will be expecting you to be very active on the next season, which will be season 3, that will be coming out soon. Okay, so I will see you soon in the next episode, and thank you very much for being part of this till the end. I still remain your special person, and I'm definitely going to keep on making maths easy for you with Maths Made Easy with Francis.